How to select all the Google Photos. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can select all the Google Photos. But before that, make sure your Google Photos is installed and updated to the latest version. For that, you must need to go to the Google Play Store and on the search bar you need to search for Google Photos. After searching for the Google Photos, if it has any update option available or install option available, then do install or update it and sign in with your Google account. And if you sign in with your Google account, you will see all the photos that your Google account has set up. Open your Google account. Now you want to delete the photos on your Google account, then just long press on the very one photo. After you long press on the very first photo, then just swipe your hands down and down up until you want to choose the photos that you want to delete, and it can go up to very down as well, or also you can choose to limited photos. And just like that, when you swipe to very down and you want to delete, just tap on the delete option, tap on the allow option, and it will be selected on your recycle bin. Now to delete from the recycle bin, what you need to do is you need to go on the very collections option and you need to go on the trash bin option, and you can select all the photos and then you can delete all the photos from the bin as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.